Welcome to all. Today's lecture is Programming in Java. Chapter first, Introduction to Java Programming. Topics are History of Java, difference between C++ and Java, and JVM architecture. First point is History of Java. Java, having been developed in 1991, developed James Gosling from Sun Microsystems and his team began designing the first version of Java. That means father of Java is James Gosling and his team member. Develop API, Application Programming Interface, SDK, Software Development Kit, and JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Java, having been developed in 1991, is the relatively new programming language. At that time, James Gosling from Sun Microsystems and his team began designing the first version of Java. At the programming home appliances, which are controlled by a wide variety of computer processors. Gosling new language needed to be accessible by a variety of computer processors. In 1994, he realized that such language would be ideal for us with web browser, and Java's connection to the internet began. In 1995, Netscape Incorporated released its latest version of the Netscape browser, which was capable of running Java programming. Why it is called Java? Next point, why it is called Java? It is customary for creator of programming language to the name language anything she choose. The original name of this language was Oak, Oak, until it was discovered that programming language was already exist. That was name Oak. That means starting name is Oak, but Oak name is already exist. Realize then as the story rename which way to rename the story. As the story goes, after many hours of trying to come up with new name, the development team went out for coffee and the name Java was born. This is called Java programming. While Java is viewed as programming language to design application for the internet, it is in really general all-purpose language which can be used independent of the internet. This is the history of Java. Developed James Gosling, Sun Microsystems and his team member in 1991. First name is Oak, then already exists Oak name, then change the Java. Next point, difference. First difference is difference between C and C++. In first year, you have learned C language and second year C++. Both language difference. C is a focus on logic. In C++ focus on both logic and data. C++ is procedure and structure oriented. And C++ is object oriented programming language. C language is top-down approach based on variable declaration. In C language, top-down approach, that means execution is starting from top to bottom down. Variable is initialized, then functions, codes, execution this way. In C++, bottom to top approach, variable declaration, that means C++ first is logic, then variable, the class using class call last, hence C++ is bottom down, bottom to top approach. Next difference is difference between C++ and Java. C++ is partially object oriented, not fully object oriented. In Java, purely object oriented. In C++, pointer concept and preprocessor are available. In Java language, pointer concept and preprocessor is not available. C++ operator overloading is available. In Java language, operator overloading is not available. C++ platform dependent. That means one program is run on Windows operating system. This is not this same program is not running in another operating system, is platform dependent, C language, but Java is platform independent. In C language, memory is deallocated. Use destructor is used to free memory. In Java language, not use destructor, it is automatically free memory using garbage collection. In C++, compiler is present. Only compiler is present. In Java language, both compiler and interpreters are present. This is difference between C++ and Java language. 2-point learn history of Java, difference between C language and C++. Next is difference between C++ and Java language. Third point is JVM architecture. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. Programming running architecture. See the diagram. First, program input is .java file. Program source code. First step, pass to the Java compiler. Java compiler then pass to the second step, pass to the this step create the .class file. Source code pass compiler convert .class file, that means bytecode file 0101 format. These bytecode file pass to JVM. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. In JVM, loader pass bytecode verify, then execution, just in time compiler. JVM means every developer who uses Java known the Java bytecode runs in JRE, Java Runtime Environment. The most important element of JRE is Java Virtual Machine, that is JVM, which analyze and execute Java bytecode. Java developers do not need to know how JVM works. Many great applications and libraries have already been developed without developer understanding JVM deeply. However, if you understand JVM, you will understand Java more and will be able to solve any problem. Java Virtual Machine is a software implementation of machine computer that execute program like physical machine. Originally, Java was designed to run based on virtual machine separated from physical machine for implementing WRA. That means WRA means write once, run anywhere. That means portable and platform independent are Java language. Although this goal has been mostly forgotten, therefore JVM runs on all kind of hardware to execute Java bytecode without changing the Java execution code. This is the working of JVM. JVM, Java Virtual Machine. That means JVM understand write once, runs anywhere. This time JVM runs on all kind of hardware to execute the Java bytecode without changing the Java execution code. This JVM pass to the final output display on the user. This is the JVM architecture. Another one diagram. See here. Java source code means .java file, .c, .cpp. In Java language extension is .java. Java source code passed to the Java compiler. Java compiler is converted Java bytecode. That means .class file 010 format. This bytecode is passed through Java bytecode move through locally or through network through. Java bytecode move locally or through network through class loader bytecode verifier. that means Java interpreter and just-in-time compiler. Pass to runtime system. This is the JVM. That means one PC create the bytecode file. This file move or locally move another one PC or network throughout. Run this PC. Class loader bytecode verifier comes Java interpreter just-in-time compiler. This is the runtime system. Pass. This is the JVM architecture. Then pass to the operating system, then hardware, and then final output. This is the architecture of JVM. First point, history of Java. Java developed 1991. James Gosling, Sun Microsystems team member. Difference between C and CPP. Focus on logic and data CPP. In C language, procedure or structure oriented. C++ object oriented. C language, execution top down approach. In C++, bottom to top approach. C++ and Java language difference. CPP partially object oriented, not purely. Java is fully, that is purely object oriented. In C language, pointer concept and procedures are available. Java language, pointer and procedure concept not available. Operator overloading is available in C++. Operator overloading not available in Java language. C++ is platform dependent. Java language platform independent. Memory deallocation destructor operator use in CPP. Java language automatic garbage collection. Compiler is present CPP language. Java language both compiler and interpreter in JVM architecture. Thank you so much.